41 and take a pencil in your hand. So we can start the class. Let's see what are the exercise we have in this chapter. Let's start. Okay, first we have pick the correct option. A dash is formed by the intersection of a row and column. Table, cell, border, margin. Cell is the correct answer. Give a tick, write the answer over here. Table group is present in the dash tab. Home, page layout, insert, design. Insert is the correct option. So to give a tick, write the answer over here. A dash is a set of horizontal cell in a table. Row, column, table, cell. Row. Give a tick and write the answer over here. Please turn the page. Resizing of the table can be done using the dash option. Alter, auto fit, alignment, table style. Auto fit is the correct answer. The dash key is used to move to the previous cell. Tab, shift plus tab, control plus tab, right arrow. Shift plus tab is the correct option. So give a tick and write the answer over here. Write T for the true statement and F for the false statement. Arrow keys can be used to move through the cells. True. Row height can be changed once a table cannot be changed once a table has been created. False. A table is a set of data arranged in row and column. True. Merge cells option is present in the row and columns group. False. Border sampler helps to use an existing border style. True. Next, match the following. Split cell, merge group, text direction, alignment group, insert row, row and columns group, fixed column width, auto shift, formula, data group. Next, give one word answer. Click on it to select the complete row, selection bar. Vertical cells, series of cells, column. Pre-formatted table that are stored in the gallery, quick table. Dividing the cell into two, splitting. Combining two or more cells, merging. So this is the today's CW work. So today's HW work will be to finish the book exercise in the book with a pencil and send it to me at dphhelpdesk@gmail.com for correction. If you have any query regarding today's class, please write in the comment box. I will reply you back. So stay healthy, stay at home, finish your work on time, and bye-bye.